even told you what I'm so excited about. Hi, I'm Monica Wofford, live from our studio here at Contagious Companies, and I have some exciting news to share because we're going to talk all about change. Woo! Now, most of the time when you mention change to people, they do not get very excited. But this is something I want you to get very excited about because I'm coming to see you at RichmondSHRM. Now, you have that on your calendar, right? But the session I'll be presenting is called Changing Gears. How to change how they see you and what you do. In other words, how do you get your boss to recognize you're doing a great job? How do you get those employees who may think, oh, she's a bully, to see you a little differently and value what it is you do day in and day out? You see, my name is Monica Wofford, and I work with a lot of human resource professionals. I've even spoken with RichmondSHRM before, but it's time now for all of us to revolutionize HR. And part of my role in this conference will be to help you do just that. So are you ready to change some gears, change how they see you, and change their perception about what you do? I hope so. Now, this is all about a little emotional intelligence ingredients, a little operational intelligence ingredients, and we'll throw in a dash of financial intelligence, mix that all together for an incredible recipe for you to produce amazing results in the work that you do. I look forward to seeing you at RichmondSHRM for a little revolutionizing and some woohoo change. Look forward to seeing you soon.